How to file taxes Form 1120S on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. To file Form 1120S, which is the US income tax return for an S corporation using TurboTax, you will need to use TurboTax Business. Now log into your account. After that, click on Start a new return. Then select S Corporation Form 1120S as your business type. Enter your business information. Now confirm your S-Corp status. After that, you want to enter your income and expenses. For that, go to Business Income section. Enter gross receipts or sales, report returns and allowances. Then add shareholder information. After this, you want to review all the details you have entered. Now you can choose to e-file your Form 1120S directly through TurboTax. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.